Hello, welcome to my demonstration of the mHike app. I am using the coding language, and I'm developing this app in the Android Studio app. So let's start with our first function: create, remove, update, and delete. So this is the main page that have all of the hikes. It shows the list of the hikes that we have created. Now let's add a new hike. As you can see, if we try to save the hike, or we need to, it will say that if you give you a warning that you have to fill in all the required fields. So let's try adding only one or two and one or two field. So let's save. And as you can see, this alert will only show what fields are missing, and only the required fields. All the three optional fields down here is not showing there. So let's try input all this location. Also, of these uh, fields are hard coded so that you will only be able to input the fields using the correct input. For example, here you can only uh, input numbers. You cannot input any letters. I am entering from my keyboards the QWE, but it does not work. All of the others are all hard coded. To show you that all of this is optional, let's add this without uh, uh, without checking it. See if I, so here we have the confirmation. After you enter all of the required fields and you save the hack, you go to the confirmation screen that will let you confirm all of the fields you have entered. So here, let's edit, and you go back to the screen before with all the fields. So let's save hack, and then let's confirm. Right, as you can see, you have a new hike in this list of the main menu, and here we have the details of the hike. Here we have all the details of the hike, and let's add a new hike. But this time we will only will add off the optional fields. I'll choose some random words. Mouse, very hard. Still trail type. You have loop, outback, and point to point. Description. Anything is okay. Select image. So this part you can select the image from the image that you have in uh, the Android simulation device. Yeah, I chose it. So let's save it. And here we have the confirmation and confirm. So that is really good now. We have all of the heights here. So that is the first function of this app. The second app is this of this hike is stored in the SQLite database. So as you can see, here we can see the details of the hike, and we can edit it. Yeah, we have all of the information here. Let's change it a bit. I'll change all of them. Oh, so 24. Easy, change the setting. Let's put it loop, and let's make this empty so you can see that. Update, and and we have the confirmation screen and confirm. So it will go back to details in the details of that particular that chosen hike instead of going back to Atlas. And now let's try deleting the one of this. For example, let's delete this one. Yeah, you can cancel or you can delete. This is confirmation warning, so you can delete it. And as you can see, it's all deleted. Uh, Now let's go to the next function. We can view. We can add a new observation. For example, this observation is required, but the addition command is not. All of this is only input text. So we here we have the list of the observation, and it also shows the current time we add information. So we don't have to. Let's try adding one without the addition command. Yeah, and you can see this all of the comments, all the observation. You can also delete one. You can edit it, update it, and you can also delete. Yeah, that's the third function. The the fourth function is search. Here you can search by name, location, date, or length. Let me try the location. Let's see. Good. Search. So it only show the good hike, the hike that the hike of the name that contains the word good. Let's add the location. Oh, wait a minute. You do not need to add all of them. You can only you only need some first three words. Let's select date, this date, search, and go. You go that hike that with that date. The length. The length here is the way to check it is less than 10. It doesn't matter whether it is miles or kilometers. So we can add 15. There's no 15. Yes, 50. There's 24 miles there, and then 140. It will show all the miles and the kilometers there. So that is the search functions. You can also try multiple field. For example, I have is good. The hack name is good, but the location I view, so it will show uh, no places like that. Let's try adding one, so I can show you that it can search with multiple fields. This is not important. Let's save the hike. Confirm. So now as you can see, let's search with multiple field. Good and view. And as you can see, there is only one of the search results that has two of that field. And I have the additional features with adding the image. So for example, let's go out. We can try the camera. So as you can see, this is a camera simulators, and we will try capturing one of these. All right, the resulting photo is in there. So let's go back the photos. As you can see that there's a new photo there. And when we go back to the app, we add new and select image. Here is the photo portion of the app, and as you can see, we have a new photo, and you can choose it now. So that is the additional features I added. And finally, we can delete all of, we can reset all database. uh, I would let's exit the app and see if the SQLite function works properly. Where is it? As you can see there, all of the hikes are shown. And let's reset the database. Just delete all of them. Alright, all hikes deleted. Let's go back to the right, and you see all of the hikes are deleted. And that is my demonstration of the mHike app.